English together.
Shopping for a birthday gift.
Hey, Angela. I want to buy a birthday gift for my friend. Can you help me?
Yes, I can help. What is your friend like?
She likes books and flowers.
Okay. Do you want to buy a book or flowers?
I am not sure. Maybe a book is better.
I see. Let's go to the bookstore.
Look, this book is nice.
Yes, it is beautiful. It has pictures too. Do you want to buy it?
Yes, I do. How much is it?
It costs $15.
That is good. I will buy this book.
Great. Do you want to buy flowers too?
Yes, maybe a small bouquet.
Okay, let's find some flowers.
These flowers are pretty. I like the red roses.
Red roses are a good choice.
Great. I will buy some red roses. Thank you, Angela. You helped me a lot.
You're welcome. I hope your friend likes the gift.
Me too.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.